Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can trade the future market and be profitable either on Binance, on Bybit, on Kucoin, or any other platform that you want to trade the future market. Okay, but in the case of this particular video, I'm going to be using the Binance platform to demonstrate to you guys how you can actually trade future. Okay, so quickly let's get started. If you have your Binance app already, what you're going to be going to do is that you're going to come down here where it says future. Okay, you can see home, market, trade, future, and wallet down here. Okay, but what we're going to be doing is that we're going to choose this particular one that says future. Okay, we're going to click on future. Now if you come to this future interface here, up here you're going to see that it's going to show you the coin that you want to trade. Okay, but if you don't want to trade the copy, you can see mine is BNB BUSD. Okay, but if you want to trade a different coin, you can just click on it. Let me click on it now. Then here you're going to choose let's say you want to trade BTC. You're going to click on BTC. Okay, so you're going to see BTC BUSD, BTC USDT. Let me click on this BTC USDT. Okay, so you can see that's how you can choose any other coin that you want to trade. Okay, so let me just choose BNB. Okay, so I want to trade BNB USDT. Okay, so I'm just using this particular one as an example for the purpose of this video. So you can decide to trade any coin that is listed on the Binance platform by choosing that coin through the method I just showed you. Okay, so now here if you check up here, you're going to see something that is called cross here. You're going to see something that is called 20x here. Okay, so I'm going to be explaining this to you quickly. Now you see this cross, if you click on it, it actually has just two options for you, which is this cross and then this isolated margin. Okay, so presently it's on this cross, but I would like to use this isolated margin. So I'm going to be explaining the meaning of this isolated margin and this cross to you. Okay, now this isolated margin means that the amount of money that you put into that trade is what you are going to be losing on this particular trade. Okay, so let's assume you put in $100, okay, into your future accounts, and you decide to take that trade with just $100. Okay, or let's assume you decide to take the trade with just $80. Okay, now it's only $80 you're going to be losing. Okay, but if you put it on this cross margin and you have $100 in your future accounts, but you decide to take the trade with $80, and you get liquidated at that $80, but you remember you still have extra $20 there. Now the trade is still going to eat into that $20, even if it keeps going down against you until you get liquidated with your whole $100. Okay, so that is the reason why it's better to choose this isolated, because on this isolated you're going to be losing just exactly the amount of money that you are willing to lose on the particular trade. So I'm going to be choosing this isolated here. Okay, so after choosing the isolated here, if you come up here now, you're going to see this 20x. Now this 20x is called leverage. Okay, now this actually means that Binance is trying to give you extra money for you to trade the future market. Okay, so let's assume you have just $100 to trade the future market. Now Binance is saying, hey, we can give you up to 20 times the amount of money that you have. Okay, so let's assume that $100 they are going to be give you times 20, then that is going to be $2,000, right? So that $2,000 now, that $100 being $2,000, it gives you the opportunity to have more liquidity in the market. Okay, but you can decide to say, no, I don't want 20x leverage Binance, please give me 10. Okay, then you're going to come down here and you can reduce it. Okay, you can reduce it to 10. Okay, you can reduce it to 10 here, you can reduce it to 5, you can reduce it to 6, 10, 15, any amount that you want. Okay, but for me personally, I like to do 10. Okay, so that might $100 that let's assume I'm using $100 in this particular case. Now that $100 is going to be like 1,000. That is $100 times 10. Do you understand? That is what they are going to be giving you the access to, the amount of money they're going to be giving you access to trade with. Okay, so I hope you understand that now, right? So what we're going to be doing now is this. If you check here now, it says, you can see where it says this available balance. Presently I'm not having any money here, so for the purpose of this video I'm going to be depositing, let's say let me deposit $20 just to demonstrate what I'm going to be doing here in this video. So let's click here. Now you must make sure that you have money for you to be able to trade this future market. Okay, so I'm going to be transferring some money from my spot wallet to my future wallet here. Okay, so here I'm going to be putting $20. Let me do $20. Okay, so here I'm going to click on confirm transfer. Okay, so if I click on that now, if you come here now, you can see I have $20 here now. Presently I have $20 here. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this demonstration to you with this $20 that I actually have here now. Okay, and also there's something I want you to understand here, which is this market here. Okay, you can see we have, okay, let me click on it. So you can see we have this market and we also have this limit. These are the two basic and major markets that you can decide to choose. Okay, so on this market now, it means that you want to execute your trade on this present price of the market. Okay, on this present price of BNB. Okay, that is market, that is the current price of BNB as at the time of making this video. So whichever trade, if I'm going to be executing my trade, I'm executing it on this market price. Okay, but you can also decide to say, no, I want to do limit. Let me click on this limit now. Now this limit means that you are looking at this market and you say, oh, I want to buy this BNB, but the way I'm looking at this market, I'm not too sure that the market will continue to go up. So you want to say, okay, I want to allow this market to come down to 21372 instead of me buying at 21375. You say, okay, I want to wait for this market until it gets down to 21370. Okay, let's say 70. Okay, so that you can now decide, okay, here you can now decide to say, okay, I'm going to buy it at 21370. Okay, so at this particular point, you are not buying it at this market price of 21373. So you're going to be waiting for the market until it comes down to 21370. Okay, so quickly let me demonstrate that to you and show you how that actually works. Okay, so if I come down here, I'm going to put in, let's say I'm going to put in that $20 here, right? So here now I'm going to we are buying, right? So here I'm going to come down here and put in the $20. Okay, then if I come down here now, I'm going to click on buy. But you can see if I click on buy, it's going to show me everything. So you can see it's a price 21370. That is the price of the market. Okay, so I'm buying with $20. Okay, now on this twin, I'm not going to be putting $20 here on the price, right? Because I'm using, remember I talked about this leverage. This is times 10 of this my $20. So this 20 times 10 now is going to be $200, right? So I'm going to put in $200. Okay, say I'm buying this market with $200. Okay, so I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on buy. I'm going to confirm the buy. Okay, now if I come to open order here now, okay, you can see this is the market. I've chosen to buy the market, but the market, the trade will not be executed yet until it gets to this 21370 before it will be executed. Okay, so that is the meaning of this buy limit. Okay, so we're going to cancel that. Let's quickly cancel this. Okay, let's quickly cancel this. So I'm going to take on the market. Okay, so I've just explained how the limit actually works now to you. Okay, so let's go to market now. You look at this market here, you're going to click on it and come to market here. I'm going to choose market now. So you can see it's on the market now, right? So here now, I want to buy it at this market price, which is 21373, right? So here I'm going to put in my 200. Remember, the amount of money that I actually have in this particular account is 200 is $20. Okay, but I'm using $200 now because it's times 10, right? So I'm going to put in $200 here. Okay, I'm going to put in $200 here. Then if I click on it, you're going to see that the market is going to buy on that market, on this particular market price here. Okay, but before I do that, let me show you. You don't just buy this market blindly, right? You are not supposed to just buy the market blindly or sell the market blindly. You need to, you must have done your own market analysis. Okay, so I'm going to come up here now. You see these candles here. I'm going to click on these candles here. So if I click on that candle here, it's going to bring me to the market. So you can see this is the market. So this is where you are expected to do your own market analysis. They call it technical analysis. Okay, this is where you will now be able to look at the market and say, oh, this market is going to go up. oh, this market is going to go down, then you take your decision here either to buy the market or to sell the market. Okay, now quickly let me show you something. If I were to take this market, if I were to make analysis of this market now, okay, I'm going to, let me take this thing up and show you something. If you check here presently as it is, you can see it's like this market presently as it is on a support. Okay, you can see this line here. Okay, so you can see the market has been respecting this line. You can see it's been respecting this line here, respected this line here, and it came here also. Then the market now eventually went up. It came down and respected this particular line here again. You can see this spot here. Okay, it respected it here. Now you can do your analysis on the mobile, but I personally have been trading the future, and most of the times I do my analysis on my laptop because that gives me a broader picture to see the movement of the candlesticks. Okay, so I prefer to do my own analysis on my desktop, on my laptop, but you can also do yours on the mobile if that is what you actually have available. Okay, so now I can just decide, okay, fine, this market is going to go up because it's been respecting this support for a very long time, so I'm going to say this market is going to go up. Okay, so just make sure you do your own analysis before you buy. Don't just buy blindly because you're going to lose your money. Okay, now this is crypto, so you can make more money, you can make a whole lot of money on crypto, but at the same time you can also lose your money if you don't do your due diligence. Okay, so here now I'm going to buy this market now. Okay, so I'm going to click on buy. So you can see it says success. So if I come down here now, you're going to see that I've bought the market already. So you can see this is the market. I'm already in the market. Okay, so you can see it has started showing here, right? You can see it has started showing here. Now, for you not to just trade this market blindly, you should put in your stop loss and your take profit. I know a whole lot of guys don't like putting stop loss and take profit, but if you are a reasonable trader and a trader that intend to stay in this game for a very long time, you should always make sure you take advantage of stop loss and take profit. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is this. You come down here, you see where you say stop profit and loss. Okay, so here now we're going to put in our stop loss and our take profit. Okay, now what's the meaning of stop loss and take profit? Now you are going to be telling Binance that, hey Binance, this stop loss, if this market gets to this particular point, please take me out of the market and save my money for me. Then the take profit means that, hey Binance, if this market actually gets to this particular point, oh, please take my profit and close the market for me. Do you understand? Let me quickly show you an example how that actually works here. So let's go back to the candle chart pattern again. So I'm going to click on this candle here. Okay, so you can see this is the chart pattern here once again. Okay, so you can see presently this is where the price is. Okay, so if I want to put my take profit now, I should be aiming something up here. Okay, I should be aiming something up here. So I can just come down here and say, okay, after I've done my analysis, I'm predicting that this market will actually get to this point. Okay, see, let's say I'm predicting that this market will get to this point, right, which is 21471. Okay, I'm predicting that this market, this buy, is going to get to 21479. Okay, so I'm going to go to here, right? So let me go back here now. So I'm going to click on this stop and take profit. So I'm going to click on it, right? Then I'm going to come here and I'm going to put in this take profit. I'm going to say it's going to get to 214.79, right? Okay, so if you come down here now, you're going to see that I'm saying that if this price gets to this 21479, which is a profit of almost $1, Binance, give me my profit and take me out. That is what I'm trying to tell Binance now. Do you understand? I'm just using this as an example, but that is not exactly what I'm saying you should do. Remember, I'm just giving you an instance, okay? You might just be, okay, if I get up to $100 profit, take me out. But make sure that you don't just put in this thing blindly, okay? Make sure you go to the market and plot in your analysis, plot in your trend line, your support and resistance, and make sure that you know exactly what you are doing, okay? So here now, I'm going to click on confirm, okay? So I'm going to click here now, okay? So if I come down here now, okay? So you can see this is my take profit, okay? So as soon as the price gets here, Binance is going to take me out of the market, okay? It's going to close the market for me, okay? So let's go back to the market again, Okay, so here now I want to put in my stop loss, right? I want to put in my stop loss. So let's go to the chart again. So we're going to come down here to the chart again. Okay, here on the chart now, let's say this is where the price is presently, but we're looking at this chart and we say, oh, peradventure this trade begins to go against me, Binance, when this trade gets to this spot. Okay, let me put in this let me use this here. So you're going to say, okay, Binance, please, if this trade turns down and begins to go against me and it gets to this point, which is 212.24, please take me out of the trade. Okay, Binance is going to do that also for you. So let's come down here now. Okay, then we're going to click here, click on this. Okay, then we're going to put in here, then we're going to put in 212 dot, let's say 21, right? That is the spot. Okay, then you can see you're going to be losing $1.43. Okay, so you're going to be telling Binance that, Binance, please, in case this trade doesn't go my way as I predicted, which is buy, and it starts going against me and it gets to this place, please close it for me. You're going to click on this. Okay, you're going to confirm it. Okay, so if we go to this open orders here now, okay, so you can see the both of them here now. Okay, so you can see this is your take profit, right? And this is your stop loss. Okay, so this is how you set your stop loss and your take profit, telling Binance, in case the market goes against me, give me my profit, and if it goes against me, please close the trade and I'm going to accept my loss. You can see, so that is how easy it is for you to actually take your trade on Binance feature. Okay, and also make sure that this thing is always on perpetual, please. Okay, make sure it's always on perpetual. Okay, if you come down here, you can see perpetual. Make sure it's always on perpetual. Okay, so that one is very easy for you to actually do. So I want to believe that you actually understood everything I said concerning these feature trading processes. Okay, so I want to believe you got value, and if you got value from this video, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, please like this video, and if you have any question or you have anything you want to say about this video or about Binance future trading, please say it in the comment section and I'm going to respond to you. Okay, and also if you want to join my Telegram group, the link is also in the description of this video. Okay, I want to believe you got value from this video, and if you got value, subscribe to my channel if you've not done that before now. Okay, I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Do take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one, and bye bye for now.